Going to my parents' house. They have fireworks, but right now is dinner time for Sarah. I'm gonna feed her food, and it is some chicken nuggets and oranges. And I told her if she eats all her food, she was going to be able to have some cake. Right, Sarah? Yes. Would you like a blanket?
Yeah.
All right. So right now, and while she eats her food, I'll get mine and Jeremy's food ready. Turn on the oven. That's for our chicken. And put on some makeup. And I'll make my food and Jeremy's food, and I'll put it in the refrigerator, and he can eat it when he gets home. And then we're gonna head to my mom and dad's. Makeup is done. And look, I made my bed today. And there's Rocky. Happy 4th of July, Rocky. You having a good day? You having a good day today? You eating? Let me see. Oh, look at that happy plate. You only have one more nugget left. And then you get some chocolate cake. Mm-hmm. Good job. Woo! A small piece for Sarah. Don't make a mess, okay? We're doing Sarah's bath time early today because, you know, of course we're going to my mom and dad's for the fireworks, and it's gonna be late when we get back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get her bath done so when we get home, we don't have to do it when we get home and just have a crying, tired little girl on our hands while we put her to bed. So all we need to do is just come home and put her straight to bed, which I'm pretty sure she's going to be really tired, and she'll probably, hopefully, go straight to sleep. Sometimes she surprises me and doesn't because she's too tired, but hopefully that won't happen. Just an FYI for you guys, this is our first video with a new camera. It's a Canon SX 610. So I hope the settings are all okay on it and you can see the picture very well. I don't know, we'll find out when we edit. And but this is the first video we have for this camera, and I hope it looks good. Sarah likes looking at the screen. She's looking at the screen right now. Hi, Sarah. Hi.
Bug spray.
Oh yes, let's get the bug spray. Don't want to forget our bug spray. Good job, Sarah. Jeremy's home from work, so now we're going to pack up and go to my parents' house.
See the cow?
See the cow, Sarah?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I see a moon.
Funny.
I like that. That's great. Eat out like it. Not too loud for me. Way up yonder in the clouds.
All gone.
I count to 3.
You count to 3.
I count 5.
You can count to 5.
Yeah.
No.
Come 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sarah can do that. Right, Sarah?
Yeah. Let's try again. It was really tough. It's right there. It was there. Where'd you go?
Y'all like it?
We hide.
Yeah, really. Whoa.
Fireworks.
Yay! Did you see some rain?
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's raining.
Look, smoke. I'm gonna do it again. Whoa!
Aren't they beautiful?
Red! Whoa!
Sparkle.
Yeah, that's what goes crack.
Did you like that?
No, it's not like a crack.
You didn't like the crack?
Give me a long time.
Don't touch it. It's hot, Sarah. Okay, we don't want to burn you.
Oh, Papa can't.
Yeah, let Poppy get it.
Way up away.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, crap. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. It didn't take off. Yeah, stay with mommy. Oh, here it goes again. Sit down and watch it. Ooh, now that one felt perfect.
It's flying up.
That one's fired up. It's raining. Oh, look, raindrops. See the raindrops? Oh. Oh, this is so sad.
Hey, Poppy. Yeah, Poppy.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It will be hot.
Yeah. Ooh, somebody else is doing fireworks. I can hear it. We ended up getting rained out at my mom and dad's with the fireworks. So we just we hopped into their little travel trailer and waited the rain out, and then we came home. And then as we came home, there was this really, really bad rainstorm, and we had to drive really slow. But I'm just so happy we made it back home safe. And it's thundering and lightning right now. And so we're just going to call it a night and tell you guys, we'll see you guys later. And hope you guys have a good one. Bye.